Hi student, today we are discussed inverse Laplace transform based on convolution theorem. So first you start with the convolution of two functions. Let f of t and g of t be two functions defined for t greater than or equal to 0. Then the convolution of f of t and g of t is defined as integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u into du and is denoted by f of t star g of t. That is, f of t star g of t equal to integral 0 to t. The first function t replaced u and second function t replaced t minus u into du. The next one is a convolution theorem. If the Laplace transform of f of t and g of t are f of s and g of s respectively, then L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to L inverse of f of s star L inverse of g of s. So using convolution theorem you prove many problems. So here we are proving few problems. The first problem, to find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 using convolution theorem. So here mention convolution theorem. Some problem is not given convolution theorem using partial fraction method. The solution of the problem. First write down the convolution theorem. Let L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2, which is equal to you splitting 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2. So using convolution theorem, L inverse f of s star L inverse g of s. So I applying the formula, the inverse Laplace transformation e power minus t star e power minus 2t, and also using convolution definition. So you simplifying integral 0 to t e power minus u e power minus 2 t minus u into du. You integrate with respect to u, we get e power u, the limit 0 to t. You substitute upper limit minus lower limit, we get e power t minus e power 0. The e power 0 value is 1. Finally, we get L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 equal to e power minus 2t e power t minus 1. So we are going to second problem. Using convolution theorem, find the inverse Laplace transform of a square divided by a square plus a square into a square plus b square. So here also given two function. So same procedure follow the previous problem. L inverse of s by a square plus a square star L inverse of s divided by a square plus b square. So using the formula cos at star cos bt, you are applying integral 0 to t cos au into cos b t minus u into du. So using trigonometrical formula 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b. So here a equal to au and b equal to b times of t minus u. You are applying integral 0 to t, we get into du. So after simplification, we applying cos converted to sine. So you integrate with respect to u, you are applying 0 to t, the limit point is upper limit minus lower limit. So finally we get L inverse of s square divided by s square plus a square into s square plus b square equal to a times of sine at minus b times of sine bt divided by a square minus b square. The same procedure, the division of the concept. Find the inverse Laplace transform for the following function using convolution theorem. So here given three problems, you will do it. And the same procedure will be follow the previous 1 and 2 problem. Thank you.